Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English Moments. If you want to improve your pronunciation and sound more natural in English, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our lessons.
Yes, today we're looking at 12 English words that many learners pronounce incorrectly, and we'll show you how to fix them right now.
Number 1, Wednesday. A lot of people say Wednesday, but in natural English, we say Wednesday.
Right, the middle D and E sound disappear. Practice. I have a meeting on Wednesday.
Number 2, chocolate. Many learners say chocolate with 3 full syllables, but we usually say chocolate.
Exactly. I bought some chocolate for you. Not chocolate like a robot.
Number 3, comfortable. We don't say comfortable. The natural way is comfortable.
Right. Listen, this sofa is really comfortable.
Number 4, breakfast. Some learners pronounce the EA clearly, like breakfast, but native speakers often say breakfast.
Yes, the A sound becomes a schwa. I usually have bread for breakfast.
Number 5, vegetable. We don't say vegetable, we say vegetable.
That's right. I'm cooking some vegetable soup.
Number 6, library. Some learners add an extra sound, library, but the correct is library.
Yes, I borrowed this book from the library.
Number 7, February. Many people drop the first R saying February. The correct pronunciation keeps the R, February.
That's a tricky one. My birthday is in February.
Number 8, cupboard. We don't say cupboard with 2 words, it's cupboard.
Right. The plates are in the cupboard.
Number 9, business. It's not busyness, it's business.
Yes, he runs his own business.
Number 10, clothes. Some learners say clothes with a clear th, but most native speakers say clothes.
Exactly. I bought new clothes yesterday.
Number 11, debt. The B is silent, so not debt, but debt.
Right. I need to pay off my debt.
Number 12, a cup of tea. In fast speech, we don't say a cup of tea, we say a cup of tea.
Yes. Would you like a cup of tea? Sounds friendly and natural.
So, how many of these words have you been pronouncing wrong?
Practice them every day and you'll sound more natural and confident.
And of course, subscribe to Learn English Moments for more tips.
Leave a comment telling us which word was the most surprising for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.